Here's PAMTA recipient for It's a Wonderful Life, and a nominee tonight, Chrissy Kelly-Pettit.
Where are my Mary Poppins people? My ensemble. Awesome. Do you guys remember your part from Feed the Birds? Surprise, you're performing tonight. Just sing along and try to stay with Reese when we get there. Okay.
Steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come, buy my bags full of crumbs. Come, feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad. Hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence.